Hi, I'm Lobsang. I want to show you guys how to make the Tibetan tea, Tibetan butter tea. Basically, making Tibetan butter tea is very simple. You need tea, and then you need butter, or just a regular butter, whatever you like to. And also we need a little milk and salt, then boiling water. That's all. It's very simple. So we use to make the butter tea. This is the I use, and also you can get the blender, and you can make in a blender. Basically, this is has two parts, and this is the inside. So if you want to look at inside, it's really nothing much. Okay, this is the next step. After you boil the water, you can put a tea bag. I put it here like this, and I'm using for two bags. Here's the one. You can do this. Just put here. So you just boil it in 2 minutes. That's all you have to do. So I'm putting this salt, which is 1/4 teaspoon. So basically, I put this here. I think a little bit more. Then I'm gonna take out the tea, so we don't want to get too dark. Just pull out the tea bags from here. And now I'm going to put in milk. Normally I use 1/2 and 1/2. This is 1/3 of a cup. So I'm going to put this. Basically, since there's not much milk, you don't have to heat it up. So just turn off the fire, stove. Turn off the stove. So that's all you have to do. And next up, I'm going to show you how to churn the tea with the butter. Okay, now I'm going to churn the tea. Basically, I just boil the water. Here, I'm going to put it here, like this. The next step is I'm going to put the butter, then churn it. Like this. Okay. And then like this. And basically you have to do like this. In Tibet we have big ones, so we just churn so many times. They say in Tibetan, if you churn as much as if you churn, more you churn, is the tea gets better. Basically, you are mixing this really well with the butter and the salt and the milk, everything kind of together. That's the idea. So I think that is pretty good. So I'm still churning. So hopefully this will mix really well. Okay, that's it. So now I can do this. So I'm going to test this. I'm going to put some tea. It's pretty light, but also if you think this is not too strong, you can add another tea bag. Very good. That's all.